Today we are expecting delivery of the biggest gamble Car Creations has made to date. I cannot wait to show this car to you guys. Let's hope the truck doesn't take too long. The driver said that he will be here today, and hopefully I'll be revealing this car to you guys very soon. Make sure you like and subscribe because all your support really helps out the channel. My name is Ethan and welcome to Car Creations. It has finally been delivered and right in the middle of the night. Oh my goodness, here it is. And it's really dark and late and I could not be more happy. I'm so excited. It looks amazing and I can't wait for you guys to see it and see what the next project we have on the channel is. All right, we're gonna be opening this door in 3, 2, 1. I'm so excited. This has been one of my dream cars for a while now, and it looks fabulous. Look at that. Has some slight issues, but we will get to that. So as you can see, it took the truck the entire day to show up. When he said he was going to show up today, I guess he was still halfway across the country because it took him all the way till 9 o'clock p.m. to get here. And by the time he got here, it was dark. I'd given up hope. I was leaving the house and I had to come all the way back. So I'm sorry there's a ton of footage of unloading off the truck. He was this Ukrainian guy that couldn't speak a lick of English, but thankfully I am half Ukrainian, so I understood his gestures anyway. He then followed me with another car that was on the transport truck all the way down our long driveway and to the shop because the car doesn't have any headlights and it was late at night and he was just trying to illuminate the road for me and help me not go in the ditch. And it was much better than trying to hold my phone at the window with the flashlight on it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. From this angle, you don't see any damage and it looks perfect right now. But if we move around to the front, yeah, you start seeing some of the issues over here. Whoa, that hood is completely bent up. And no front headlights, I see. Look at that paint color. I've never owned a red car before, but that looks pretty good. All right, let's bring it into the shop. Look at that, Porsche key. It was really hard to get on because there's no backup camera and this car is very different in size than my Mini. And I tried to look back and I put the door open and it just swung a little bit harder than I was used to and it hit the pole, which was... Like, come on, Ethan, don't be that excited. That should do a proper job, but thankfully I don't see any chips or anything. This is my new Porsche Cayman 2014, and it's gonna be the subject of future videos. So I've been searching for a new car for a while. What I really wanted to do is do something a little bit different than rebuilding another crashed Mini. There is some overlap between the Mini and Porsche communities, what they like to do to their cars, and how much they love their cars. So I went onto Copart and IAA and I found in California a decently high mileage Porsche Cayman base model, so the 2.7 liter 981. So this is the model just before the most recent 982, or Porsche calls it the 718. And what really interested me in this car was the engine. It still has the naturally aspirated flat 6, and although it's smaller than the larger one that is found in the Cayman S, these cars are an absolute bargain right now. So good. So I'm super excited with all the things we can possibly do to this car, and I can't wait to get started. As you see, I have a lot of work to do. The nice thing is that all the issues are on the front. So basically from this A-pillar all the way back to the back of the car, it's completely fine, at least as far as we know. And we're gonna do a full delivery check of the car and make sure it's exactly what we're looking for. But off the bat, it looks like we're gonna have to do some structural repair on the front, and with Porsches, you don't do it with tack welding or anything like that. Basically, what we're gonna be learning for the first time is how to rivet and properly glue and bond these panels to the car. So we'll be taking off all the wrecked panels from the front, bending out as much as we can, and then replacing everything. So in our next video, we are going to be taking a look at front end and starting to take it apart and seeing what's involved with cutting pieces off and trying to take off as much damage as we can and make sure there isn't any hidden damage. We have a lot before us, and I'm super excited to get started. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss this build or any of our future builds. But most of all, we hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.